Okay, now let's proceed on how to import image to stage. So meaning you can download vector files and you can import it on your stage. So here you can click file, import to stage. So let's open our Adobe Animate. So here it's very helpful if you want to add your vector background. So when we say vector image background, nature, like this. So this art, we call it vector. So you can achieve this by drawing. If you have pen tablet, you can draw this in your Adobe Animate as your own background. So if you don't want to draw, you can just download a vector image. So let's wait for our Adobe. Okay, so let's open the standard, create. Okay, so after we've opened our Adobe Animate, let's import our vector background. So we have stage and library. So stage meaning we will import our image directly to stage. For the library, once we import, we'll go here automatically. So stage, I have an example of vector image here. Then click OK, and then it plays existing item because I have it here in my library. So once you import and then show you like this, example you have 100, it will show you like this. Just zoom out and then click the free transform tool and then resize like that. If you want to view the final view of your background, you can click this one, so it automatically delete those excess object. Okay, like that. Then fit and window like this. So this will be your final output, not like this. That's how you import your image. So let's import another one. So let's create another layer and then file and then import to stage. Let's try this B. Yes. I have the bee and the flower. So I will add this one, F6. So let's zoom out and then cut this one. I have the bee. Once I proceed here, I have the flower. So I will remove this one. I will add another layer for the flower. So proceed to the flower one like that and then resize. Then let's zoom to 100 and then delete like this. Then add this one. Then B. So you can flip the B like this. Alright, so let's zoom out. If you want to animate your B, like this. So for the layer 1, I will click it here and then F6 for the layer, and then for the B, this one. I have an empty keyframe here. I will remove the frame, click this one, and then 1 second, F6, and then click the B here, and then 2 seconds, press F6 on your keyboard, and then go here, and then right click, create classic twin, click OK, right click, create classic twin, and so on. After that, Control plus enter, and then you have your animated B. So that's for vector animation and yeah, importing object in your stage. So next one, we will discuss creating a storyboard sheet, which is we have the scene 1, 2, and 3.